Hi guys, so this is going to be just a quick unboxing and first impressions of my new iPhone 13 Pro. So, the box is significantly smaller than what I remember with 11 Pro, much thinner. So we now have these two pull tabs that you just remove to open the box. Let's get this out of the way. Well, it comes out nice and quick. Let's remove the protective film. Nice and pristine looking. Look at this camera system. It's huge. I'm gonna compare it in a sec to iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. And inside the box, there's not much left. Just USB-C to Lightning cable and some rubbish. So the new phone looks and feels thicker to me, but it just must be an illusion because on the website it says that it's 7.6 millimeters thick and the old 11 Pro is 8.1, so yeah. Yeah, the camera system is just so much bigger than on the previous models. So let's have a look at the notch now. So apparently I think it's 22% smaller than the last year's model. So I think it should be the same with 11 Pro. To me it looks so much smaller in real life. It's really nice. Oh, and by the way, the weird colors that you see on iPhone 11 and 11 Pro is all because of the screen protector. For some reason it just doesn't play very well with the filter I'm using on my other iPhone. And just a little something that I've noticed now, I'm not sure if it's coming across very well on the camera, but my old phone looks a little yellowish on the back comparing to the new phone. I'm not sure why that is. So yeah, so this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions. I can't wait to start using the new camera system. The results I've seen online look amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this little video and I'll catch you guys later.